In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list Pokemon cards on eBay desktop correctly. We'll start right on the eBay homepage. Once you're there, click on Sell, and then choose List an Item to open the listing flow. In the search field, type in the name of the Pokemon card you want to sell, then click the search icon. eBay will usually suggest matching products, so select the closest match for your card. This is helpful because it can pre-fill details and make your listing more accurate. After that, click Continue. Next, choose the card's condition carefully. This is one of the most important parts of the listing because buyers pay close attention to condition when shopping for collectible cards. Once you've selected the appropriate condition, click Continue. Then, when prompted, choose Ungraded Condition if the card has not been professionally graded, and click Continue again to move into the full listing editor. Now it's time to build out the listing. Click the drag and drop files area to upload your card photos. Clear photos can make a big difference, so make sure your images show the front and back of the card well. After the photos are in, edit the title so it clearly reflects the exact card you're selling. Then review and edit the item category if needed to make sure the listing is placed correctly. From there, click on Variations if that section appears, and then add the item specifics. These details help buyers find your card through search filters, so fill them out as completely as possible. Next, choose the condition again in the listing form if eBay asks for it there. After that, add your description. Keep it straightforward and accurate so buyers know exactly what they're getting. Then edit the pricing section and enter the amount you want to sell the card for. Move down to the shipping policy section and add the shipping option you want to use. Once everything looks correct, click List It to publish your Pokemon card listing on eBay.